Did you know? In ancient Greece, sneezing was prohibited during festivals. This intriguing law stemmed from ancient Greek beliefs regarding sneezing as an ill omen during religious ceremonies. Sneezing was seen as a disruption to the sacred rituals, potentially bringing misfortune upon the community. To maintain the sanctity of the festivals, authorities enacted laws imposing fines or penalties on individuals caught sneezing. While this law may seem unusual by modern standards, it reflects the deep-rooted superstitions and cultural practices prevalent in ancient Greek society. Sneezing was believed to be linked to the gods, and any interruption to religious proceedings was taken seriously.